How's it going, you guys, and welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the importance of a time cap, the reasoning behind them, and why it's always important to finish under the time cap for your workout. Now, I just made a video recently talking about the importance of a Metcon, what is the goal of a Metcon, and all that kind of stuff, breaking it down into further detail than a lot of people actually understand. So I'll leave a link up above for that video. Make sure you check it out, and then come back to this one. But if you have a pretty good idea on Metcons, doing CrossFit for quite a while, then stay tuned for this video because we're going to break down all the different things about it. So now the first thing, the reason of a time cap is for you to finish under the desired goal or the desired stimulant for that workout. So when you do a workout like Fran is on average for most CrossFitters, like a 2 to 5 minute workout. 2 being incredibly fast, really good. 5 being pretty good for the average person, and still a very good time in general and overall. Now, you might see a time cap on that workout that's maybe 8 to 10 minutes, depending on a lot of different factors. But the goal is for that workout is to push yourself. It is to get into that 2 to 5 minute time range. But obviously, a lot of people don't have the muscular endurance to do high rep thrusts or high rep pull-ups. Maybe they don't have the gymnastics to do high rep pull-ups. Maybe they just don't have the aerobic capacity. Maybe they just don't know their body yet because they're new and they don't understand what they're capable of and how to push themselves at certain times and how to pace and different things like that. Not that you pace in Fran, but you know what I mean. So there's a lot of different factors that could be why people don't finish in the 2 to 5 minute time range. So you give them a little bit of a buffer to still push themselves, still go fast, and still try to get a really quick time for that workout. I've seen a lot of people that finish, sub 10 that still push themselves really hard. That 95-pound thrusters or 65-pound thrusters for ladies. I've seen that weight be very challenging for them. Maybe they're doing triples on the pull-ups. They can't do any more because their hands are just fried and their heart rate's through the roof. And they just don't know how to get cycled through movements, keeping that high heart rate. So even though they're not finishing at 2 to 5 time range, 10 minutes is still really fast for them. They still get the same stimulant as they would as the faster people. Now, when you look at a workout like Angie, I can't remember the exact order, but I think it's like 100 pull-ups, 100 push-ups, air squats, and sit-ups, something along those lines. And it's meant to be obviously a much longer workout. Now let's say the average for that workout might be 20, 25, or 30 minutes, somewhere in that time frame. If that's the case, you might see a 35-minute time cap on it because some people might struggle on certain movements and take longer than the average, but the goal is for it not to become an hour-long workout. It shouldn't be taking people twice as long or so to finish that workout compared to other people, because then they're not getting, again, the same stimulant. They'll be able to push themselves, build that muscular endurance. They're just resting a whole bunch, and maybe they're tired, maybe their muscles can't handle that high volume, or maybe they're just being lazy. The reason for that shorter time cap of 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, is going to push them to really try to, okay, how fast can I go? I want to keep this going. I want to feel that burn in my legs, feel that burn in my chest, and keep pushing through the reps, because that's where I'm going to receive the most bang for my buck, and not just rest a minute until my chest feels good again, another set of 5, rest a minute, just like that. So in order for you to stay under the time cap there, you might realize, okay, I need to be done under 35 minutes. I'll have to maybe cut the pull-ups in half. Maybe I'll do half regular pull-ups, half ring rows. Maybe I'll do all of them banded. Maybe I'm not that good at push-ups. I'll break the push-ups into sets of 2, and if I have to at the end of the day, cut them down some. Maybe I'll do 75 push-ups. The whole goal, the time cap, is to realize, okay, what do I need to do to finish under this time cap? Still get the same stimulant as everyone else and not take forever. I see all the time, people will, the time cap will happen at 20 minutes, and then they keep doing the workout and they finish around 22, 23 minutes. Once you finish, the whole point of a time cap is to give you that max allowment of time to finish that workout. So again, going back to the Fran example, if it's 10 minutes and you're not done with Fran yet, and you're still going through Fran, at this point you're not even getting the same stimulant of the workout. The whole purpose of the workout is ruined, essentially, in my opinion. So you need to think beforehand, am I going to hit that 10-minute time cap? Because that's my max allowment. If I don't hit this time cap, then I didn't do or if I do hit this time cap, I'm not doing the workout ideally or correctly as it should have been done. So what I need to do is I need to, again, assess myself. Am I good at this workout? Am I going to be good at these movements? Do I need to cut it down? Do I need to modify movements? Whatever it is, so I can still get that same stimulant and push myself in the workout. So at the end of the day, when you look at the time cap, that is your max allowment to try to get this workout done. It should not take you this long. The goal is to finish before this, but that is the max allowment for you to still get the same stimulant. So, and obviously if you get time capped with 1 or 1 to 5 reps left, that's fine, that's not a big deal. But if you're getting time capped and you're like maybe have a whole round of a workout left, or you have 40 reps of a workout left, then it's affecting the purpose of the workout and what you're gonna receive from said workout. So always keep that in mind when you're getting ready to do a workout. It should not be you getting to the time cap, you going over the time cap. The purpose of time cap is to give you an idea of, I need to go faster than this and I need to make sure that I'm not taking this amount of time. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the workout. If you see a workout that you're like, dang, I don't know if I can finish on the time cap, and you go to a gym, ask your coach, hey, I'm not sure if I can finish. What do you think? Do you think I can? Because I have plenty of athletes that go and they modify workouts like, oh, I can't finish under the time cap. And I go, yeah, you can. Add some weight or get rid of that band for the pull. You'll be fine, and they still finish on the time cap. So if you don't know yourself, ask a coach, ask a friend, ask someone that is, knows you and knows your capabilities. Hey, do you think I can do this to where I'm still going to get the most bang for my buck in this workout and not get time capped? So I hope this video made some sense. If you guys have any questions or comments on time caps or on the purpose of metcons, whether they be short or long or anything like that, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys immediately. If you guys like this video, make sure to like button, subscribe for plenty more videos, and we'll see you guys next time.